Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new bank account on Accounting. Let's go to Banking and click on Accounts. From here, to add new bank account, click on New Account, green button on right hand side at the top. And here we need to select either this will be bank account or maybe this will be a credit card. So select the one which you want to add. Add the name, so I will have Rita's bank, but in my case I will have Euro account. Enter account number, so I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think so it's 8 digits. And you can change a currency here. An opening balance, if you have an opening balance, add it here, otherwise you can leave a blank. Okay, is this a default account? If this is a new default account, select yes, otherwise leave it as a no, because all transactions will be defaulted to your defaulted account. And then we can add more details. For example, this is a Euro current account. Okay, if you have any other details, you can provide those here and click Save. Okay, so account has been added. We can add new income, expense or transfer. We can edit from here. Also, we can see performance, duplicate or delete. So if we go back to accounts, our Euro account is added here and we can view it by clicking on show or when you actually click on this bank account. So this is the way how you can add a new bank account or credit card account on Accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.